I've already made one of these videos. I didn't really want to make another one, but I feel I need to. Now, there's been a little character that quite regularly was in my videos. My little Wally dog. And little Wally is the best dog ever. It was just fantastic. I can't it might be just because I had a bond with him. Okay, anyone else? But what, you lost your mind? he's a little runt. But he was a bonny little fella, was my Wally. And they're the memories I want to keep of him, in my head, because he passed on Saturday night, and it was horrible. I don't think it was in any pain or anything, but it was just horrible to see it, and it's just like an end to something that was great. It was the end of an era, really. You see, my little Wally, he was such a character. And I feel that he had a bond with me, and I had a bond with him, and it was just, I did everything for him. Absolutely everything. From clearing his glands, to obviously feeding him and taking him for walks and giving him cuddles, or he'd give me cuddles. He was always there for us, Cuddling with dog hair, talking about dogs. I've been cuddling my Sebastian. But, okay, we have got three dogs. We had 3 dogs. We've got Pandora and Sebastian. They're still here, luckily, But Wally was special. He really was special. One of the hardest things I had to do, I had to make him a little box and in the workshop, and it was very difficult. To say that it's very, very difficult. In fact, he's literally buried beside me. Got a little garden there, little flowers on top of him and stuff, So I don't think we'll be ever be moving from this place. Can't say it, not now. He was a part of me. I name a business after him, for Christ's sake, Wallybois. He was always there. He was always with me. It's like losing a limb. But a cheeky limb that mived you constantly. Pesty for treats and walks and whatever else. What you chasing around the garden with teddy bears and constantly playing ball. Not ones, I'll just check the ball, he'll be right, he'll be off. No. Back it comes. They throw it again. Back it comes. We'd be sitting there on the old patio, and I'd throw the ball against the doors of the barn, bounces back, you bring the ball back. There we go. And again, bounces back. Or throw it high up in the air and you literally catch it. And he's just... He was such a great little dog. He was my friend. He was my friend. And I don't have many friends. I don't have many away. I live in France for a start, so I left all my friends behind, and even then I didn't really bond that well with people because I'm a bit of a loner. I'll be honest with you. I know these channels and stuff, but I'm a bit of a loner. I like my space. I'm happy to tinker, make stuff, mend stuff, grow stuff. I'm happy with my own space, but with my dogs. And especially Wally. Whenever I sat down, he was sitting down with me. Either on my lap or sitting down beside me. If I'm laying on the sofa, he'd be behind my knees, curled around a little ball with his head just resting on you, looking at you. And when times when you're stressed and you're worried about things, he kind of made it all alright. Such a great dog. There's no good thing we'll get another dog, what have you. We've still got 2. But I don't know, I can't go. I'll go bad. It's going to be pretty bad when they will get old as well, you see. But it's just, I don't know if I'll have any more dogs. I might say different later, but I can't go for this again. I feel empty. Lost. So I do apologise that I haven't been uploading as many videos as I usually do, because the last few weeks we've been really worried about him, and all over the weekend he's been very poorly. Won't walk anywhere and stuff. When he did manage to get him walking, he was like really slow. And then we took him out on, his walks on Saturday. He was in his buggy. It's just not him, just not him. He was a little sod. But I loved him. And I loved him for the fact he's a little sod. I think back, I laugh about it now, like when he used to chew my seat belts and the GPS and, the rubbers out the doors and stuff like that. When he used to chew things or when he chewed his way out of the cat flap. Or when he chewed the dog gate, stair gate, which I made, and, and he tried to chew that, and other stuff he's chewed, even to the extent of chewing the end of the dowels, the pegs that hold the string to the newel posts on the staircase. He chewed the ends of those. But it just showed that he loved us, because he just wanted to get to us. That's the thing, it's why he used to get stressed. Okay, he grew out of that. This is when he's a lot younger, But he's such a bonny little boy, he was. Bonny little fella. He loved the sun. He'd sit out in the sun, just basking in the sun, literally just doing that. Then occasionally sniffing for the girls. Yeah, then he'd bugger off, wouldn't he? Yeah, find a way out of the flipping ground here, through the fence somewhere, or literally chewed through the grillage, through the wire fencing. Chew through it. Cut the wires with his teeth. Unbelievable. Anyway, he got out, and then we'd find a little place out there called the Prade. And there's a girl there. You could see her. I don't think that particular dog's owners were particularly the pedigree. I don't think they were that happy about it. But yeah, he was a little character. I always knew where he was. I used to have a tracker on him as well, because he used to find a way out also, and he could jump. He's only a small dog, he's only like 10, 11. Well, he should be around around 11, 12 kilos. He should have been. He put a bit of weight on. He got to about 13 in the end. But he was agile, to say the least. Very agile. So anyway, I do apologise, but I'm sure you understand why I haven't uploaded many videos this last week. There's been a few going on, but not many. But I will be back on form soon. But I just need to get my head cleared. In a couple of days, I suppose, I'll be alright, and then I'll start making a load more videos. Anyway, toodaloo.